Hey y'all, Corey with BARC Tree Care here, and my son Evan. Got a quick job to go do this morning, getting some hangers out of a sycamore tree. The guy already rented a lift and got what he could get out, but there was some stuff in the middle of it, pretty decent sized branch, that he couldn't get the lift into because there was too many exterior branches. We're gonna go take care of that for him. Just a drop and leave job. Nothing better than a drop and leave on a Friday morning. Gonna see if this boy still remembers how to climb. He might get scared, he might make dad climb it, I don't know. We'll see when we get there.
It's been about 2 years though.
It's alright, it's like riding a bike, man. Just get back in the saddle and it'll come to you. Finally starting to warm up, starting to feel nice, like maybe the season can get going instead of all this deep freeze weather. Don't get me wrong, I don't mind getting stuff fixed, but I didn't sign up for this to be stuck in a shop or sitting at a desk.
Exactly where you thought it would fall. I said, I'm impressed. No, I don't remember that one. Oh, that was a long time ago. That was probably at least 12, 13 years ago. Oh, okay. Yeah. You come out and shot a rope up there, climbed the rope, and got up in the tree, and thinking, yeah, no way. Yeah.
One more I'm worried about, but you're not going to be able to get it from there. Yeah, I got it set up on the other side. That one over there. Yeah, that was a little more precarious. It's a little... I didn't realize that one was even there originally.